In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm your image has been sent, so Claude can analyze it or reference it in your conversation. First, open your web browser and head to Claude.ai new. This takes you straight to a fresh chat. If you're already signed in, you'll land in the conversation window right away. If you're prompted to log in, do that as you normally would, then return to a new chat so you can start clean. Once you're in the chat, look toward the message area at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon near the text box. That plus icon is your gateway to attaching content. If you don't notice it immediately, hover your mouse around the input field or click into the box. It typically appears alongside other quick actions. Go ahead and click the plus icon. A small menu will pop up. From that menu, choose Add Files or Photos. This opens your computer's file picker, where you can browse your folders and libraries. If you keep your images in a specific place, like your Pictures folder, desktop, or a project directory, navigate there now. As a quick tip, JPEG and PNG images are the most common and usually upload without any issues. If your image is very large, give it a clear file name so you can find it again easily, and consider closing other heavy apps to keep the upload smooth. Now, select the photo you want to upload and confirm your choice in the file picker. You should see a small thumbnail or file name appear in the chat input area, indicating that Claude has the image queued. If you selected the wrong file, you can remove it before sending and pick a different one. When you're ready to send it, click the arrow button in the chat input area. That arrow submits your message and uploads the image to the conversation. You may see a brief uploading indicator. That's normal, especially for higher resolution photos or slower connections. Once it finishes, the image will appear in the chat history, and Claude can reference it in its reply. That's all there is to it. Navigate to a new chat, find the plus icon, choose Add Files or Photos, pick your image and hit the arrow to send. If something doesn't appear, refresh the page and try again, or double-check your internet connection. Thanks for watching and enjoy working with images in Claude AI.